Hello! Olivia.
Hey!
Do you like camping?
Yeah, okay. I like camping. But I'm hungry. I'm very hungry.
Olivia? Mystery hat.
Mystery hat?
Mystery hat.
Mystery hat?
What's inside the mystery hat?
Marshmallows!
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows!
Marshmallows. Mystery hat! Go. Ooh!
A fire!
Fire.
To cook the marshmallows?
What can we do with fire? Everyone, fire. Fire and
Fire?
Marshmallows.
You put the marshmallows on the fire and they go...
Mystery hat.
But... Okay. Chocolate?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? But if I put... It's gonna go... No?
Marshmallow, fire, chocolate.
Chocolate, okay. So marshmallow plus chocolate plus fire.
Mystery hat.
Mystery hat? Okay, there's more? Biscuits?
Biscuits. Graham crackers. But we can say they're biscuits. So, you have fire.
Yes.
I want to hear fire.
Fire.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Biscuits.
Biscuits.
And chocolate.
And chocolate.
What can you do with this?
You can make a sandwich. You take this and you put these in like this. Like this. And the chocolate on top.
And you make a s'more.
A s'more?
A s'more.
Ooh. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, let's make a s'more.
Let me show you what a s'more looks like.
Okay. Can we make some s'mores?
Well, yeah.
I really like s'mores.
You want s'mores?
I want to try.
Okay, Olivia. Okay. Let's try s'mores. But before,
What?
there are a few rules.
Rules?
Now, for you to make s'mores and you to make s'mores, what do you need? What ingredients do you need?
Well, brown crackers.
A cracker or a biscuit. So you need a cracker.
I need a cracker.
Yeah. You need
Marshmallows.
a marshmallow. And you need chocolate. A piece of chocolate. Okay? So you need. I need
crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate.
Do you need broccoli?
No.
No.
I
But you
don't
need
broccoli.
a cracker, a marshmallow, and a piece of chocolate.
Yes.
Okay? Now, you can use a candle.
Oh, okay, a candle.
You can use a candle or a microwave.
Oh, okay.
A microwave. So you can.
I can use a candle.
Yes.
Or a microwave.
Excellent, Olivia. Excellent.
Oh,
Now,
that's to do at home.
yes, in your house. Super important.
Okay.
You must not.
I must not. Okay, I must not.
Touch the flame.
Okay, touch the flame. No, I must not touch the flame.
You must not touch the flame.
Okay.
Very important. And finally, Olivia, you should eat the s'mores quickly.
Oh, that's easy. I can do that.
Like,
Okay.
like this.
Okay, yeah, but it's hot, no?
But if it's cold, it's not good.
Oh, okay, so it has quick.
Ready
quickly.
to eat?
Yes.
Let's go.
Ben,
Yes.
I'm hungry. How'd you make us more? Ben,
Wait.
I'm hungry.
Olivia, what do you need to make a s'more?
Marshmallows.
Okay, marshmallows. Okay.
Chocolate.
Marshmallows, chocolate,
And the biscuit.
biscuit, cracker, something like this. Okay.
Okay.
Marshmallow.
Chocolate, and a biscuit.
Okay. We have this. Now.
No.
What can you use?
Hungry. Yes.
What can you use?
Fire? You need fire?
Okay, fire.
A big fire?
A big fire, but
inside.
you see a big fire?
Oh, a candle.
A candle. Okay, so careful. Careful.
Oh.
No. You must not touch the flame.
Okay.
Repeat.
I must not touch the flame.
Excellent. Okay. You have your candle here.
I'm hungry.
I have my candle.
So I take a marshmallow and go like this? No? Okay.
Oh, oops. That's okay. Oh, look my thing. Now, can I have a stick, please?
Can I have a stick, please?
A stick?
A stick?
Can I have a marshmallow, please?
Can I have a marshmallow, please?
Yes. Okay. Wait on. I'll take a marshmallow too. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put the marshmallow in the fire.
Yeah.
No. Over on the fire.
Over the fire.
And we slowly turn. Slowly turn.
Slowly turn. I'm hungry. It's going.
Slow. Okay, Olivia, it looks good. Now, what you need is a biscuit.
A biscuit?
A biscuit, yeah. On the biscuit, you put a piece of chocolate. Only one here. Now, place your marshmallow on the chocolate and make a sandwich.
Okay.
Press and
It's all melted. Oh, I have to eat it. Quick.
You should eat quickly. Go. Delicious. Let's make mine. Okay. So, biscuit.
I'm so good.
Chocolate.
It's all
Marshmallow.
It's sticky.
Look at this. Ooh.
A s'more.
Yeah, that's a s'more.
A s'more.
Now, Olivia, is it good or bad?
It's good.
It's good, right?
It's good and gooey.
Hey, you make s'mores.
I can't talk. You make s'mores.
Yeah, make s'mores. Bye.